Hello. Wait, I need to start videoing. I stopped the video on accident. Hey, you know that one person that liked Undertale on there and it was really weird? I blocked her. I was tired of hearing her. She was like really weird, man. Dude, I had to like punch my computer to get to stop doing that. It's really annoying. It's gonna be so funny if it legit picks up nothing. Dude, nobody knows we're calling on here. OMG, a thirsty person. Dude, it's a thirsty person. It means they are begging for a girl or dude. And then you got the people that totally comes up with unrealistic stuff like, is ice puppy need mommy or daddy? Like nobody, like you're not made of ice. You're just the color. Wait, wait, where are we going? Okay, okay. OMG, I can't find it. Okay, there it is. Wait, wait, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere! Don't, no, everything is being really slow. Just follow me. You could have just followed me and went to the same one. Hey, um, come to the cotton. I'm fixing some black cotton candy. No, seriously, just try the black. It's really cool. I'm not gonna tell you what it does. Amy, you needed to reword that really fast. When a new jammer can make a better cotton candy than somebody that has membership, cough, cough, Amy. A phantom? Yeah, it's phantom cotton candy, and it's like, I don't know how it tastes because, you can't. Oh, this thing only lets you record up to 10 minutes for free, and then you have to pay to record longer than that. I'm like, no. Like, I could care less if Bandicam.com was written across the top of my screen. Like, people are like, OMG, I pay for Bandicam so I have professional quality. I'm like, the only difference is yours doesn't have Bandicam written across the top. And you can record over 10 minutes. Dude, somebody just like jamagram me. Be like, I'm videoing. I turned off my buddy request. You go to your settings and you scroll all the way down until it says buddy request and just click it and it turns them off. So click your settings, well, my settings, you know what I mean, and just scroll down until it says buddy request and you can just turn them off. Request, I turned mine off. Okay, somebody keeps wanting me in that video, and I'm just like, sure, even though No. I'm gonna be race. Um, I'm gonna be fair to the people. Okay? I'm gonna make a black colored cotton candy with white, and I'm done. Cause racist is not cool. So I'm very controversial. No. We don't need this color. We need a beautiful cotton candy like yellow, orange, and black. Well, tell her to block off. There, I have a race fair cotton candy. No. We need to talk about something interesting because this video is like really boring, man. We've got 4 minutes to talk about something. Actually, we're going to end the video. Alrighty, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Say bye, loser. Okay, hold on.